fucking around here, aren't we? Apples. $18 profit. Damn, bro, both times barely any profit, huh? It's another 1,000. Okay, thanks. Ooh! Ooh, this could be it! This could be it, boys! Ooh! Ooh, this is good! This is good! This is really good! Oh my god! Oh my god, the kid! Oh, the kid fell! What the frick? Oh my god. Okay. Hearts? No way hearts hit right now. No fuck. Oh my god, almost greens too. Oh my god. Boys. We're up now. We don't have to bet the rest of it, dude. We're up now. Damn, Dom, I love you, dude. I freaking love you, bro. Bro. Damn fucking Dom, bro. Damn fucking oh my god, bro. That's it. We're back. We're literally even. This is the exact. Oh my god, this is the exact amount, dude. Oh my god. All right.